What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Steven, Rich from Anywhere Squad. And in this video today, I'm gonna be telling you guys about the #1 best way to get more customers, make more sales, and to separate yourself from all the competition, hands down. So before I get into that though, make sure that you guys are hitting that like button if you're enjoying the content we bring. Hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell notification so you're always getting notified when we're dropping new content. So when I was coming up with this little tip, this little strategy I'm about to give you guys, I was actually getting my oil change. So let's go ahead and cut to that clip right now. So I'm at the car wash right now, and before I came to the car wash, I got my oil changed. So at the oil change place, I went there, paid for everything, then they gave me a coupon, I just used it, to get a free car wash, which is why I'm here, right? And then they also gave me this, at the bottom of the receipt, they gave me 10% off to go eat at a restaurant. What they're doing is extremely important. They're bundling products together and making their service or their product more valuable than it normally would be. Because here's the thing, if I'm just coming in, I'm just getting an oil change and then I'm leaving, that's cool, but everybody offers that. So what makes these people different is that I'm coming in getting an oil change, I'm getting a free car wash, and I'm getting if I eat here, I'm getting a discount on a restaurant. And basically what you're doing is you're increasing the perceived value of your product. So it's easier to justify doing that as a consumer. It's easier to justify going with you because I'm getting more for it. So now I'm out of the car wash and you can see dude back there drying off my whole entire car, right? Making sure that there ain't no spots and stuff like that. So now they're drying off my car too. They're just adding more value, right? A lot of car washes, you come out of the car wash and your car is still soaking wet. You don't have a guy just sitting there ready to just start drying your car. Like, that's added value, because when that happens, that encourages your customer and it makes them want to actually do this. Thank you, man. Thanks. Appreciate you, brother. Have a good, you too, man. It makes people want to spend more money with you. That's how it works. You guys got to look at stuff like this. If you're a business owner and you're looking for ways to get more customers and to set yourself apart from your competition, it's really, really simple. Offer more service and more resources and more products, just more value than anyone else in your market. Make it so irresistible, make it so undeniable that it's not even a question. I'm driving around this city right now. There's literally probably 10 different car washes I could go to, but I go to this one every single time because I know if I go there, I'm getting a free car wash, I'm getting my car dried off when I come out of the car wash, and I'm getting coupons to go to restaurants that I like to eat. So there's all these different values, there's all these different reasons why I want to go there. I would challenge you guys right now to look into your business and find things that you already have, resources that you already have that you could give to your customers, or that you could bundle if they were to make a purchase, and to incentivize people to make a purchase. Find those things, write them all out, and start coming up with packages. So when you do that and you're with a customer and they're thinking about purchasing, or they do purchase, now you can say, hey, listen, Mr. Customer, Mrs. Customer, thank you very much for buying. And today I'm gonna be giving you not just what you purchased, but I'm also gonna be giving you X, Y, Z, A, B, C, however you wanna label it. You're gonna be getting all these extra things too. And watch what happens to their face. They're gonna be like, really? You're giving me all that? Hooked, bro, and you're in there. And now you are separating yourself from everyone around you. So there it is, guys, the #1 tip for getting more sales, more customers, and separating yourself from all the competition, hands down, the best way to do it. Provide more service, more value, bundle more products, do more for your customers, be nicer to your customers, right? Give people the best possible experience that they possibly could ever have, and they'll never leave. So once again, it's your boy Steven, Rich from Anywhere Squad. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, concerns, questions, thoughts, drop them in the comments below. I would love to hear y'all's comments on this. Again, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. And we will be back very shortly with more gems, more jewels, and more tips, strategies, e-commerce, business. You know what it is, man. Rich from Anywhere Squad. Peace.